Welcome to CAD Legend. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you create the viewports inside the AutoCAD. Right now, I have only one viewport, which is this graphic window. If sometimes you need more than one viewports, so you can create them by just click on the view, come downward, click on the viewports, and you will get a menu like this. Here, how many viewports you need, you can just click on that. Right now, I just need 4 viewports. See, now, all of them are right now dead. Okay, so any of them you want to make them active, so you will just click on that viewport. Once you click here, so now you can make them accordingly. For example, you want to have this port having the conceptual visual style and having the top view. See, now when I click on this port, and this time I just need this one, the wireframe, and having the isometric this view. And here I need this one and this one. See, and here when I click on this port, this time I need the 3D wireframe, and this time I have this view. See, so this is how you can actually deal with the different kinds of viewports. Okay, and if for example I just do something in this viewport, so you will see actually what would happen with the other remaining ports. Okay, what would happen with that? So this is what actually you need some time. Okay, we will just work in one viewport and automatically the result would add and the other viewports, and you can see them. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.